Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, March 2nd. And overall, again, the theme for March looks like it's going to be a little above normal and stormier than normal with a pretty progressive weather pattern. And the INSO or the analog years that we use really are going to throw them out the window this year as the cold Pacific is doing a job keeping that trough located out west and trying to pump the ridge in the east. So our headlines for today anyways, looks like certainly colder conditions. We'll have some snow showers moving in for later today and tonight. Could see anywhere from a trace to possibly as much as a couple of inches, but best bet is mainly trace amounts is expected through tonight. And again, it'll be cold right down through Friday. We'll begin to warm up over the weekend, getting into the 40s, and then I think we have a shot at being well into the 50s, maybe even 60 degrees across the southern part of the state as we get into Monday. And you can see the 6 to 10 and 18 day, or 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day outlooks continue to show us warmer than normal and also a little bit wetter than normal. So again, what we've seen over the last couple of weeks looks like more of the same. And if we look at the normal day, our normal high is 36, the normal low is 19. And you can see a year ago we had 8.5 inches of snow to set the record for the date. If we look at the total storm accumulations over the last couple of days across the area, you can see Jasper leading the way with 1.92 inches, and then it drops down several locations up around an inch of rain though. So again, it was a very wet system for this time of year. And the final count that I could find, there was 3 fatalities and actually 24 tornadoes that was reported. If we look at the highest and lowest temperatures across the lower 48, the warm spot 88 degrees at Brownsville, Texas. And again, the cold spot for the second morning in a row, 11 below zero at Big Piney, Wyoming. And if we look at conditions around the area this morning, you can see temperatures much cooler than they were yesterday, down to the 20s, closer to normal. Jasper Station looks like their computer is offline. We'll see if we can get that going here very shortly. If we look at the satellite view, you can see those powerful storms now associated with the cold front now moving off the east coast, and in its wake, a cold northwesterly flow will continue to bring little waves of energy around. And again, one this afternoon with these clouds here will produce some snow showers, especially for later this afternoon into tonight. And then already you can see, if you look on the northwest corner there, we're getting a big pool of warmer air. And again, that kind of a zonal setup is going to be coming into the area and warming us up over the weekend. And then we got a chance of more rain as we get into Monday and Tuesday before, once again, temperatures fall again. If we look at the picture here, this is from some of the tornadoes that came through the Midwest into the mid-Atlantic states here over the weekend, causing lots of damage across many portions of the Great Lakes, Midwest, and into the East Coast. Again, 3 tornadoes reported across Michigan, and the last time we had a tornado since 1950 that touched down in the month of February was 1974, I believe, so quite a long time ago. And you can see on the radar, not a whole lot going out there on the weather map this morning. Another weak low pressure system will move across to our south, and again, that'll bring a chance of some snow across the area today with a embedded upper feature as well. And then by tomorrow, that low pressure system moves off towards the mid-Atlantic states. There'll be a swath of snow again, mainly to the south of the Great Lakes. Can't rule out a few flurries here, especially in the morning, but again, no big deal here over the next couple of days. And as we get into Saturday, again, our next weather maker will be a low pressure system that'll be moving up to the northeast, and that'll have some warmer air associated with it. The entire lower 48 is going to be warming up again, and we'll have a chance out ahead of that warm air of a little bit of a mix of rain and snow. Again, no big deal. We don't expect anything significant right on through the weekend, just mainly light amounts of any precipitation that would happen to fall. And if we look at the precipitation forecast over the next 7 days, you can see the upper Great Lakes, ½ inch to an inch or more. For much of the MAC and LIC areas, looks like around 1/4 to ½ inch here over the next 7 days. So not a significant amount of rainfall expected here during that time period. As far as snowfall, again, mainly the eastern UP and some of the snow belt areas could pick up a little bit of accumulation. Again, you can see the models, the WPC, not really showing a whole lot for this afternoon and tonight, again, here over the next couple of days. But again, I think there'll be at least some trace amounts across the area here. And if we look at the North Carolina, the university, their forecast off their models, this is for the month of March. They show much of the United States to be above normal. And if we look at the weather watch for this morning, again, pretty clear out there, not a whole lot going. The remnants of that storm producing some wind advisories well off to our east. But again, a very quiet pattern here over the next several days. with just some minor intrusions of a little bit of snowfall. But again, no big deal, mainly trace amounts. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.